Welcome back to the final video of this section in our course Rise Up in the Age of AI. In the previous videos, we discussed the impact of AI on jobs, the importance of adapting to change, embracing new opportunities, and the future of work. In this video, we'll wrap up the series by providing you with actionable strategies to succeed in the age of AI. Before we dive into the strategies, let's briefly recap the key concepts covered in the previous videos. We discussed how AI is changing the nature of work and creating new job opportunities, as well as the importance of adapting to change and developing new skills to stay relevant in the job market. We also talked about opportunity thinking and how individuals can leverage their skills and experience to pursue new opportunities. Now that you understand the impact of AI on the job market and the importance of developing new skills, it's time to take action. The first step is to embrace new opportunities. Don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone and try something new. Keep an open mind and be willing to learn. To succeed in the age of AI, it's crucial to continuously develop new skills and build a portfolio that showcases your abilities. One strategy for developing new skills is to take online courses or attend workshops related to your field of interest. Another approach is to volunteer or participate in projects outside of your regular job to gain new experiences and skills. Building a portfolio of your work can also help you stand out in the job market. In addition to developing new skills, it's important to build professional relationships and network with others in your field. Attend industry events, join professional organizations, and connect with others on social media. By building a strong network, you'll have access to job opportunities and potential mentors who can help guide your career. Finally, when searching for a job or looking to advance in your career, it's important to leverage the power of AI. Many companies use AI to screen job applications and identify potential candidates. To increase your chances of getting noticed, make sure your resume and online profiles are optimized for AI screening. Additionally, keep up with the latest trends in your field and stay informed about the skills and experiences that are in demand. In conclusion, the age of AI presents both challenges and opportunities for individuals in the job market. By taking action and embracing new opportunities, developing new skills, building professional relationships, and leveraging the power of AI, you can succeed in this rapidly changing landscape. Remember to stay optimistic, keep learning, and never stop growing. Thank you for watching our series on the age of AI. We hope it has been informative and inspiring.